Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because the visions softly creeping left its seed while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In the restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes was done by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools, I say, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like a silent rainbow and echoing in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and